This is the prototyping matrix that will indicate what type of process you need to follow to develop your prototype. So we have seen these tools before, the prototype decision matrix that will give some attribute to your design and tell you what are your primary needs in terms of prototyping and secondary needs. So in that particular example, we have seen that that business concept has 6 points for space and 4 points for services, 2 points for the system and 0 point for the product. So primarily my needs in that particular design is in terms of space prototyping and service prototyping. So I will refer to the prototyping matrix, and here I have two indicators. The first one is the primary need and the secondary need. So always, I'm taking this example. My primary need is about space. So I will go to the column of the space, and my secondary need is about services. I end up with this particular process here, which is the process number 3. What is the process number 3 about? It speaks about storyboarding. So it is suggested that I will write a story about my user. I will take the key instance about my user and narrate a story about what are the different services that it need to avail. Secondary, we have the construction iterations, and finally we have the service image and the system mapper. So I will take those particular tools in sequence. That means that I will start with the first one, which is the storyboard. Then I will have the construction iterations, and then in parallel I may develop the service image and the system map. Those tools are available. Totally you have 7 tools here. So those 7 tools are utilized differently with respect to the processes that are here. So you have totally 16 processes, 16 different processes, and those 16 different processes are utilizing the 7 tools that are here. Those tools will be utilized differently at different point of time. So it is important that you follow each tools in the appropriate sequence as per what is indicated in the matrix. So this is something, something very simple. The assessment of your business design can be done through this matrix. Once you have a point that indicates what type of prototype you need, then just go to this matrix and check what is your primary need, what is your secondary need, and you will find out which process you need to go for. Once you have your process, you just need to follow the tools here, 7 tools, and develop your prototype. So there is indications about how to test your prototype with the user, and this is something that will help you to validate that your business concept is the right one and will be working in terms of implementation.